If acupuncture is like rebooting your body's Wi-Fi, ozone therapy is like upgrading it to like fiber optic speed. Can you imagine? Let's talk about what happens beyond the needle here at AccuHealth. How ozone, vitamin injections, and other integrative therapies can supercharge your healing and longevity. Welcome back to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness, and where your cells get the memo they've been finally waiting for. Okay, so what is this energy equation? Here's the truth. Healing is an energy game. You can't heal in survival mode. You need oxygen, nutrients, and flow. Acupuncture gets your chi moving, but sometimes your body needs a little extra oomph, especially if your cells are running on low battery, your immune system's tired, or your hormones are staging a quiet protest. That's where ozone therapy and vitamin injections come in. So let's talk about what ozone therapy is and why everyone here at AccuHealth is talking about it. Ozone therapy is one of the most powerful ways to oxygenate your body at a cellular level. In science speak, ozone, O3, is a supercharged form of oxygen. When it enters in the body in carefully controlled medical amounts, that's important here. It helps your cells use oxygen more efficiently, which means more energy, faster recovery, and reduced inflammation. Now, in human speak, ozone therapy basically says to your cells, hey, remember what vitality feels like? Let's get back to that. So it's particularly helpful for chronic fatigue, autoimmune conditions, inflammation, pain and recovery, brain fog, and energy slumps. And here's the best part. It's completely natural. No synthetic chemicals, just pure oxygen. Upgraded. So now let's talk about the dynamic duo of acupuncture plus ozone. Think of acupuncture as the map and the ozone as the power source. Acupuncture opens the pathways, your energetic meridians, while ozone floods those pathways with oxygen and vitality. It's like acupuncture is clearing the traffic, and ozone sends a convoy of nutrients down the open road. So people can often feel great after acupuncture, but after ozone, they feel lit up, calm, but clear. And that's because you're supporting both the energetic and the biochemical aspects of healing. So now what about vitamins and acupuncture point injections? Well, if acupuncture needles are the messengers, injections are like the carrier pigeons with a protein smoothie. We use small localized injections of things like methyl B12 for energy, nerve repair, and nervous system support, vitamin D3 for immune, hormone, and mood balance, and MIC injections that have methionine, inositol, and choline, if you know what those are, they're amino acids, to support liver detox and fat metabolism. And we do acupuncture point injections with homeopathics or natural anti-inflammatories like Tramiel or arnica to release pain and tension right at the source. And we also use procaine as a neural therapy to help rebuild those neural networks and repair any damaged tissues or remodel scar tissues. That's a mouthful. We'll talk about it. Come see us. These injections enhance your acupuncture results and give your cells the tools that they need to rebuild. Because honestly, sometimes chi flow isn't enough. Your body also needs raw materials to sustain the change. Now let's take a peek through the longevity lens. Modern wellness isn't about treating a symptom. It's about raising your baseline energy so that your body doesn't have to shout for help. That's what modern wellness should be. When we combine acupuncture, ozone therapy, vitamin injections, and other nutrients, we're not just treating pain or fatigue. We're restoring cellular communication, not your cell phone, like your actual cells. It's like we're finally giving your cells the group chat that they deserve. Chi, oxygen, vitamins, and balance, all talking, all working together. So, if acupuncture is the gentle philosopher of healing, ozone therapy is the personal trainer that shows up with a green smoothie and says, "We're doing this, but kindly." And injection therapy, that's your body's espresso shot, except it won't make you jittery, just quietly unstoppable. Now, as a bonus tip, let's see if your fatigue is energetic or metabolic. Yes, acupuncturists use big words sometimes. Sorry. Here's how to tell. If you're tired all the time, even after sleep, coffee, kale, that's metabolic. So acupuncture helps the first, ozone injections and vitamins help the second. Together, they make you feel like yourself again. Healing is multidimensional. You deserve care that meets you on every level, body, mind, and energy. So if you've been running on fumes, it might be time for an upgrade. Let your body remember what vitality feels like naturally. And if you found this helpful at all, like, subscribe, share it with someone that needs it. And if you're ready to book your session, click the link below. Until next time, stay rooted, radiant, and beautifully balanced.